What's going on, guys? Mikey here, director and producer of Jamaica Story, a documentary all about Jamaicans worldwide and those who love Jamaica investing their time as well as their money back into the country. Jamaica is an amazing country and place to visit. With everything going on and the economic advancement and investment going on in the country, I think it's important we understand the problem with the type of investments and growth that we're seeing in Jamaica. We are here. When money comes in from overseas, it is put into the business, and once those business pays their expenses, such as employees, bills, taxes, they take the profit and they ship them back overseas to shareholders. What we need is investment coming in from overseas. The profit be invested back into the community. Then once the community has growth and advancement, the community can invest into the country and into the businesses in Jamaica. And then we can go overseas looking for partnership instead of just a cash infusion to keep us going. And that's basically how we get to the next level. We move from dependence on overseas investment to creating symbiotic relationships with overseas investment and partners and businesses, so that Jamaica can become more of a practical and safe investment opportunity and not just a place to put your cash for a little bit and take it all out, because a country will never see the growth. Only the select few will in that situation.